Did Civil War soldiers waste ammunition with repeating rifles? Imagine standing in the middle of a fierce battle, your weapon firing rapidly, more than 3 times faster than traditional guns. Now, did soldiers really waste all that ammunition? During the Civil War, many military leaders worried about this exact question. They thought that because repeating rifles could shoot multiple rounds without reloading, soldiers might fire too much and waste valuable bullets. Back then, the most common rifles were muzzle-loading muskets, which took time to load and fire. Repeating rifles like the Spencer and Henry models could hold 7 and 16 rounds respectively. Soldiers could fire 2 to 5 times faster than with muskets, which usually fired about 3 shots per minute. This faster rate of fire gave units equipped with repeaters a big advantage in battle. But did soldiers actually waste ammunition? Not really. Units like Colonel John T. Wilder's Lightning Brigade, armed with Spencer rifles, showed that disciplined soldiers used their weapons carefully. They aimed and fired selectively, not just spraying bullets everywhere. Their effective use helped them inflict heavy damage on Confederate troops while suffering fewer losses. The fear of waste was mostly based on concerns about cost and logistics. Repeating rifles were more expensive and complicated to produce than muskets. The military was cautious about giving them to all soldiers, fearing they would run out of ammunition quickly and that supply lines would be strained. So most Union soldiers kept using muzzle-loading rifles for most of the war. However, the experience in battle proved that soldiers with repeaters could control their fire. They did not shoot wildly or waste bullets. Instead, they used their weapons strategically, which actually saved lives and increased battlefield effectiveness. The hesitation to adopt repeating rifles widely was more about expense and tradition than actual problems with ammunition waste. In the end, the idea that Civil War soldiers wasted ammunition with repeating rifles is not supported by the facts. Soldiers who used these weapons properly showed they could fire efficiently and responsibly. The technology changed the way armies fought, paving the way for future improvements in weapons and tactics.